let's see how to remove a watermark in Microsoft Word. First, we want to open up Microsoft Word. And here we have our text without any watermarks in the background. So first, let's add some watermarks. Scroll over to the Design tab, click on Watermark, and then choose a watermark of your preference. For example, we want to use this confidential watermark. And as you can see, it is now reflected in the document itself. However, some documents don't have or don't require watermarks, and so we have to remove them. To remove a watermark, it's a fairly simple process. Do the same thing, click on the Design tab, click on the watermark option, and as you can see down here, there's an option to remove the watermark from your document. And if you click that, the watermark gets removed. And that is how you remove a watermark in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and see you soon!